Yongshen, the expert manufacturer of shelf pushers in China. Our subsidiary brand, GLD Display, has been dedicated to this industry for over 10 years. Yongshen is a comprehensive enterprise that integrates research and development, production, and assembly. We are committed to providing our customers with high-performance, stable, and innovative display products. Yongshen have passed ISO 9001 certifications and strictly adhere to RoHS and CE standards, with an in-house tooling team, plastic injection, spring manufacturing, assembly line, and packaging capabilities. We offer high-quality shelf pushers at a competitive price and shorter lead times than our competitors. Yongshen produces various types of spring-loaded display products, including drink pusher glides, gravity roller shelf, slow-down type pushers, tobacco pusher trays, vertical vendors, and more. Customization options are available, allowing you to personalize the size, colors, materials, packaging, pushing force, and more. Our patented display products are widely used in various areas, including supermarkets, grocery stores, chain stores, households, and more. From engineering to packaging, we offer a one-stop service with our strong research and development capabilities, patent authority, swift prototype production within 3 days, and rigorous quality assurance processes. All manufacturing is done in-house. We can quickly start your project at an affordable price. Whether you choose from the styles on our website or share your own ideas, our experienced engineers are here to bring your vision to life. Let Yongshen handle your order today.